Hi, it's Diana Willett. How are you? Today we're making a delicious chicken pineapple stir fry with rice. What I did was I got my wok out. I put a couple of teaspoons, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here, and about a tablespoon of garlic. Now we're going to add the peppers. I got a yellow and an orange pepper, one each. We'll start stir frying. Let this get soft first, along with my green beans. I got a bag of green beans here, and I'm going to put that in too. What I do is I boil the green beans for a little while to get them a little soft. And that's how I like it. Come out delicious. One package of chicken breasts. I cut them up in little pieces, and we're going to put them in here. Let me get some salt and pepper. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. A little salt, not much, and pepper. Very good. The wok cooks this very quickly. So this is a very nutritious meal. Chicken, green beans, peppers. So it cooks well. Delicious meal. Keep cooking it, stirring it. I have it on high. This is Wolfgang Puck's wok. This is the vegetable oil I use. 3 tablespoons I put in. I got this at Aldi. Okay, keep going. Here's my rice. I'm turning it off now. White rice, all ready. I'm trying another stir-fry sauce. Instead of stir-fry sauce, I got the Menor's General Tao sauce. I think it's maybe a little bit more spicy than the other, but you pour it in. I'd say about ½ a cup so far I put in. Put a little bit more. Okay, so I'd say 3/4 of a cup of the sauce. Stir it. Let it cook. And I got a pineapple here from Aldi's. I'm only going to put a couple of pieces in because my son doesn't like the pineapple with the chicken, but I'm just going to put a couple for me. And that's it.
I do like it. I never tried it before, that's all.
Alright, well, I'll put a little bit in. Put a couple more pieces. It's good. It makes everything sweet. Okay? That's all I'm putting in. Now, I'm going to cover this for a few minutes, and while this is cooking, I'm going to put my ingredients away. You just keep filming that. And 2 more minutes here. off in a minute. Keep cooking. Take the cover off it. Okay. Coming good. More pepper. Cover it back on for a few minutes. Keep filming, and then I want to put this away. Good. All right. Washing the food now. Oops. This looks delicious.
Yeah, it looks great.
Very good meal for your family. Come home, cut up some chicken, throw in some peppers, the sauce. You can just buy that at eBay. A little pineapple if you'd like. Make some
The
rice.
sauce brings out the flavor.
Yeah, and then you have, it looks like you have a dish for about 5 people here, so you have you can have leftovers. Very nutritious. Instead of going to a Chinese restaurant and they put all those ingredients in there that you don't even want, chemicals and everything else. Here, there's nothing in here. The sauce doesn't have hardly any chemicals. Hardly even has sugar in there. So it's really good. As a matter of fact, let me take the sauce out a minute and I'll tell you what's in it. Very, very good sauce. Okay, here. This particular sauce I got on eBay. It's got no fat, no cholesterol. Sodium is 22%, and you gotta be careful with the salt. Sugar's only 13 grams, and it has, that's it. 1 gram of protein, and the whole total carbohydrates is 16 grams for 2 tablespoons of the sauce. So it doesn't have any MSG or anything like that. It's good. It's very good. Excellent. Very good sauce. All right. See how we're doing here. Make sure the chicken is nice and soft. And we're going to plate it right now. Nice big plate. Alright, here we go. This is white rice, Uncle Ben's. Got it. Right. A lot of green beans here, peppers. Turn everything off here. And here we go. Chicken and pineapple stir fry with rice. Hope you enjoy this recipe. It's wonderful for your family. And I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.